Thumbnails are most important part of a YouTube video. You will see a thumbnail only and then only click it before going to a video. You might have also landed to my video only by seeing my thumbnail. So in today's video, we would be discussing about how to create thumbnails, what to keep in mind while creating thumbnails, and a lot more. So my name is Yash and I am a graphic designer. And if you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And if you like the video and find it helpful, make sure to hit a like also. So yeah, let's begin now. So four things to keep in mind while making a thumbnail is number one, your background should be dark. I am making thumbnails from around past 10 months for my YouTube channel. This channel is new, but our previous one I started along with my friend, my second channel. So I have been creating thumbnails and I have seen that dark backgrounds work a lot. Dark backgrounds and upon that light colored text. It works very great. Number two, don't use too much fonts. Too much fonts will catch attention here and there, and your message on the thumbnail is like gone. Number three, don't use too much font colors. Maybe one font color or maximum two font colors are enough if you want to differentiate or highlight some portion of your thumbnail. And number four is research. What you should write on your thumbnail, how you should design your thumbnail, and I'm going to tell you how you would research for your thumbnail and also how to highlight and all the things. But the main thing on the thumbnail is the text you write. Design, most of the times design is also like required, but it honestly does not matter. The thing which matters the most is how you create or which what words you write upon thumbnail so that it could affect the psychology of the person who is watching the video or who want to watch a video on the particular topic, so he would click on your thumbnail. So make sure to keep text readable and all. So yeah, now let's move to my screen and I will show you how to create a simple and very clean thumbnail. So we are here at my screen now, and now I will be showing you how you can create a thumbnail from scratch. But you should do some research before creating a thumbnail from scratch, just like I did in this last one thumbnail, and I add these icons and did this thing. So yeah, you can do this stuff, you can research, and I would tell it at last how you can do some research. But now we will try some creating something from scratch. So yeah, you can go to file, and first of all, first step is you should add a background, simple background color from paint bucket tool, but I prefer to add gradients which you can easily download from Google. So yes, I have downloaded one, and yeah, would be using that. So this is the one I would be using, and you just place and press shift, and yeah, you can stretch this stuff. And by the way, if you are new to the Photoshop, I would suggest you to watch my previous videos so that you can understand how to use the stuff and how you can create things. Or also you can create thumbnail using Canva, which I have also uploaded a video regarding that on my channel, so you can also check that out. But for now, yeah, focus here. So yeah, we have added a background, and now I'm going to add an image. So I would be choosing this image only to save my time here. So yeah, we would be choosing this image only, and we would be typing some text here, and it would be how to make would be first thing. And another thing we are going to use is same font, pressing alt key and dragging it so that it gets copied. So we would be writing here thumbnail, and we would be changing the font color to white. Okay, yeah, I have already told you in the previous part of the video that dark background and light color font. So yeah, we are following that stuff only, and let's arrange it. And now I would be getting some creative, and I would be thinking how to add some stuff from, yep, we can add this image of Photoshop, or just placing it behind the image and decreasing its opacity, or maybe adding another layer. Okay, let's make it, okay, let's move it down and use gradient tool on this layer. By adding a mask, you can add layer mask and use gradient tool to simply mask this area, so that you can create a uh, effect of, you can get the feel of that you are using Photoshop. So yeah, you can definitely do this thing to get your message conveyed that yes, this is done on Photoshop. Okay, to get and yeah, photo is done, and now I would be adding a YouTube symbol. Okay, you are making a thumbnail for YouTube, so yeah, you can be creative and adding a YouTube thumbnail from here. And yeah, just scale it down and you are done here. And now your text is clear. And now too, I want to highlight this part. So yeah, definitely we can highlight this by just simply using selection tool, rectangular selection tool, and making a rectangle here, and you can add a color to this thing. Okay, let's add some dark reddish color, brown red color. So yeah, here I have added a brown red color. Then you can go to select and deselect. So yeah, it is looking pretty different from the above text. So this whole portion is highlighted. I want to highlight this portion, I can highlight. You can also highlight this portion by changing the color, just like I did in this one thumbnail. I just uh, make this yellow and highlight this using making a rectangle. So you can just do this, and maybe adding a stroke to the YouTube icon, so that it does not get merged with the background. So yeah, you are here how to make and thumbnail. And now I would be adding a Photoshop icon here, so that users get to know, or viewers get to know, that this is made in Photoshop. So yeah, you can just go and place embedded again, and I've downloaded the image already. Okay, think I clicked wrong stuff. Yeah, place embedded, and I've already downloaded this image, and you can use this. Very simple, and your thumbnail is almost ready, and we can just simply darken the we can simply also dark the background. So yeah, this layer is empty. You can add a black color to it. Okay, and reduce its opacity. So yeah, and now we would increasing its size, and your thumbnail is ready. Just very simple and pretty, and it is conveying the message directly. I have already only used one font style, one font color, and just highlighted this from here. This might be different from my original YouTube thumbnail on the image, because I have to add some text which would create some effect help which would help users, or which would affect the psychology of the users, I would say, so that they would click. So that is why this is different from my original thumbnail which is on the video. So yeah, this is very simple, and now we would jump in how to do research. So it is very simple. Just go to Google and search on YouTube the topic you want to put the video upon, and just simply type, just like I did on the last how to earn through social media, and how to earn through social media. You can just simply type this and just search what other people are doing. So here are all the people who are using, and this idea I picked from this video where there are these icons here, and background always I use dark backgrounds, or if you are using light backgrounds, look at this one is pretty great thumbnail, and only one font, and the second one is on Instagram button. You can see the Instagram here. So yeah, it is different fonts and different colors are used to highlight a particular portion. So yeah, you can definitely highlight using that. So I hope the research part is clear. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and see you in the next video. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit a subscribe, and if you like the video and if you learned from the video, make sure to hit a like, and you can share the video also. So yeah, bye guys.